All right guys, how's it going? Welcome to another bonus video, and you might be able to tell I'm not on the job right now. And that's because I didn't really work today. And that's because there wasn't much to do because the drywall is going in, and we don't do drywall. We just hire some guys that are really good at it. They've been working, doing our jobs forever, at least 20 years. They actually did the jobs when my dad was still in charge, and it's the same guys. So, you know, here's my yard. Looks like a yard. And I'm sitting by a fire that's not even that good. This is an old tree stump that I had cut down, and I've turned it into a fire pit. And that's a bunch of junk that was on my counter that I'm burning, and it's not even really burning. It's just smoking me out. So, hey, this is a bonus video. What's the bonus? The main bonus is I was actually at home enough this week because of our kind of slow week at the job that I sat down and finalized the plans for this house so that you could get your hands on them and potentially build the same house for yourself. And they're pretty cheap. I put a lot of work into it because the set of plans that we actually built this house off of were not complete. And that's because I kind of know, all the structural things that I left off of there, I just know. So I'm pretty excited about that. Make sure to click the link in the description and check those out. The second thing is kind of a not bonus. This is a not bonus, is that we weren't able to actually film the inspection process. And that's because of the virus. The inspector said, look, I know you guys want to be here, but I'm around all kinds of people all the time, and I don't really want to be around anyone else. So he did the inspection without us there, and we came in after the fact, and we failed some things, okay? So we did shoot some video of what we failed, and then we fixed the stuff so it could get re-inspected before installation, because installation covers all this stuff up. So that's what happened. So that's going to be in a video, the stuff we failed and the fixing it. So that'll be fun. So it's not a total downer, I guess. But I kind of promised I would film it, but I just couldn't. And number 3, Jamey, what's he up to? He spent most of the week with our crew in town at 120 Main Street, getting a lot of progress done there, shooting hours of video for me to turn into like a 10 or 15 minute video. So what he does is he'll film it on his iPhone and then airdrop it to me when I see him. There's so many big files, there's no way you could email them, or even a Dropbox with the internet around here just would be terrible. So airdrop is a really nice feature. Like iPhone doesn't sponsor me, but I love my iPhone, man. I can do so much stuff with it. And so that's what he did. And so I'll have maybe 2 episodes of 120 Main coming out next week. So that's it. I've been at home doing like office stuff, hanging out with my kids, went mountain biking, golfing. And that's what happens sometimes when you're a builder. You get a little downtime. And I really try to take advantage of that to do productive and fun things, okay? And it's my wife's birthday, so we are going to go, I don't know. We're going to try to go out somewhere. I don't know if this can even happen with what's going on, but maybe get a glass of wine. She deserves it. She's a great mom. We have 3 boys, and it's a madhouse, like all the time. She does all this stuff to like keep them going with school and learning and everything they need to do. I hope you enjoyed my yard. Here's my neighborhood. There's some bikes. What else? There's my neighbor up there. That's about it. It looks like a yard that a bunch of dogs run around in, because it is. So hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next week. I hope you enjoyed episode 12. I love making these videos. Hope you can tell it, when you're watching them. See ya.